So this is going to be my foundation routine, my unedited foundation routine, and that's the Makeup Forever mattifying primer, step 1 mattifying primer. And this is just my overall routine. This is not me using the oh yeah, and I am using my brushes, but I have a video that's specifically, and that's how much I used. I have a video specifically showing you how I use my La Classique Trinite brushes to do my foundation from start to finish. But this one is specifically for my foundation routine. I'm going to explain why I do what and stuff like that. So I'm applying this primer all over my face. Now I apply a lot of this primer because I find that when I apply a lot of this primer, it almost smooths my skin out somewhat. I don't know what it is about this primer, but this primer is bae as far as I'm concerned. I love it. I thought I would have liked the smoothing one, but I don't know, to my surprise, I actually like this one, the mattifying one. So, oh my god, let's talk about my brows. Are my brows popping or not? According to Glam by Isaken on Instagram. I love her Snapchat. Glam by Isaken on Instagram. Oh, I love her Snapchat, man. Her Snapchat keeps me going. If she doesn't snap, I just feel away. And I'm rambling. It's because I'm not going to skip out anything. And this video is 18 minutes long. So, blow, watch Jonathan has done up. Jonathan is right here with me as I'm doing this. And he just stood up. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Makeup Forever foundation. And I think this is 175. And I'm just going to pump out some on my hand. That's what, 7-8 pumps. My blood cleanse. That's so much me did use. That's why my face looks so. Let me tell you, I'm trying to figure out how to work with this Makeup Forever foundation. I'm trying to figure out what works for me, what doesn't work for me. So I'm using the, what's that, Proverbs 356 brush. And it's a flat top, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. And I use 2 foundations because, I don't know, I think the Makeup Forever one is not as full coverage as I would want it to be. So because it's not as full coverage as I would want it to be, I go in with my Black Opal Carob. So I'm just going to shut up right now and let you guys watch me put my foundation on. Okay.
God bless. AJ. Friend on there again. Them quick fi sell out like hot bread. Friend on there again. Them vex cause you alive and not dead. Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Who know me love life and don't want to see 10. Who did they for me have me 33 10. And still they both know when me have me Z10. Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Who not call me name to the police them. Who did they for me have me 33 10. And still they both know when me have me Z10. Hey, they make me feel say I'm me bro them. You woulda think say I'm my mother grow them. Can't believe say I'm me them deceive. No me can't believe I'm me for them. And some of them, hey, come a connect like a modem. But them a act like the star in the show them. And if you're smart, don't leave them on your wife cause them a not take no one show them. Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Who know me love me life and don't want to see 10. Who did they from me have me 33 10. And still they both know when me have me Z10. Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Who not go call me name, go to the police them. Who did they from me have me 33 10. And still they both know when me have me Z10 them. Real friend is real hard to find. Something to bear in your mind. Some of them will say them are your friend and make you go in a jail go serve time. Oh you what? Some of them is smiling on your face. In on your back them have a 9. Better try see the signs at the time. And please don't go on like you're blind. And just big up your real friend, when no pretend. Who not charge your name go to the police them. Who did it from you have your 33 10. And still they both know when you have your Z10. Big up my real friend, when no pretend. Who not call me name go to the police them. Who did it from me have me 33 10. And still they both know when me have me Z10. Friend on there again. Them quick fi sell out like hot bread. Friend on there again. No for them vex when them see you not dead. Friend on there again. Them want see you turn crackhead. Friend on there again. As me see before, them is true, them is not dead. Why me up? He got me real friend, when no pretend. Who them real and no fake like me dream them. Who they do for me have me 33 10 and still they both know when me have me Z10. Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Who now can me name go to the police them. Who they do for me have me 33 10 and still they both know when me have me Z10. Big up me real friend, culture Linden. Straight but a straight and nobody can lean then. Who they do for we have me 33 10 and still they both know when me have me Z10. Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Them I watch you like the screen them. No bother bad man, cause I feel them.
So to highlight, look at how beautiful both of those work together. I think it looks gorgeous. So for my highlight, I'm using my NARS Creamy Concealer, and this is in the color Amande. And look, I tried a dot. I was like, oh, I forgot. I was into this like African highlighting thingy, which failed. So I remembered midway, so hence me dotting. But I'm going to remember one day and do it, see. And then like take a picture and then get views. Again, so I put it on all the areas I highlight, and recently guys I've been highlighting right under here. No, I did not like it before. Oh, what happened? What happened, Papa? Kiss me. I did not like it. I didn't used to like it at all, but no, I really love it being right there. And I'm blending out same with the Proverbs 356 brush. You can use a beauty blend if you have it, but you know, I gotta stay true to my brand, boo-boo. And I'm going to do a video called Staying True to Your Brand. Let me write that down. Staying True to Your Brand. And you just have to. And there are certain things you guys going to see me use. That's all Poem Brand. Because I have to stay true to my brand. I can't be saying, yo, Poem is the best, Poem is the best. Or among the best, among the best. And I'm out here using other stuff. You know what I mean? I have to stay true to my brand. I just love that little part. I don't know. I just love it. Where I put the highlight under the hollows of my cheek. I just love how it looks now. Earring. So now I'm going to be using my Mary Kay foundation, and I hauled this, and I've been cream contouring, y'all. And the cream, I love this one because the contouring, you see how it's subtle, bruh. This makes my contour stand up like dead man. Yo, I love it. Look at how subtle it is. And with the cream contouring and highlighting, you can't just use a setting powder without using a darker powder or lighter powder, and then everything will look completely natural, as if your face is like that. Like your face is naturally like low lighted or whatever. You know what I mean? Like it gives a more natural look is basically what I want to say. What's the name of the video that I said I was going to? Oh my god. Staying true to your brand. Okay. Writing it down, you guys. Writing it down.
God bless you, boy, DJ representing Israel. Promise to Christ, all Israel. Hear me now, hey. Father, try die to we. God, them just a die to we. After them get them vote, them a pass and a table say I to we. Hey yo, after me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. Me know say you know me alone a ask. Wonder if Andrew and Portia last. So after me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. So what Jesus me a vote for the next election. Anytime I vote I can. No blood upon them shoulder, them hand stain. When them say the violence can't contain. You a first class, them gone pan plane. And left we fi suffer in a shackles and chain. You a million, them a spend pan them campaign. Then them the panel.
Alright guys, so for my highlight I'm going to be using Rich Caramel from Black Opal. It's a foundation stick, and I got this idea for using the foundation as my highlighting color and low lighting color, honestly, from Cindy Black. Her name is spelled CYNDEE Black here on YouTube. And I'm going to blend it out with my flat top brush from my new line. So that's what I'm doing right now. and apparently talking to somebody, probably Jeremy is who I'm talking to.
Champion, all the food on the dirt, and we feel it like a pregnant woman pain. Hey, yo, we don't go follow them and make no wrong turn, cause them no care but we are concerned. So you feel stand firm in a Jesus, see me be the light to your feet like a lantern. Hey, yo, after me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. Me know say you know me alone a ask. Wonder if Andrew and Paul shall last. So after me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. So what Jesus me a vote for the next election. Anytime I vote again. This is a public announcement, please arise. We fig one like we advise. Cause sin is a reproach unto any people. So you know certain things can legalize. No say love your soul.
So for these steps, I'm just going to be blending out with the corresponding tool that I used. So the brush that I used to do my low lighting, I'm blending out with that brush. And the brush that I used to do my highlight, I blended out with that brush. And then I'm going to be going in with my beauty blender, the black beauty blender. And this is the original beauty blender, just saying, to blend everything together so everything is just nice and seamless. And this is how I do my foundation routine now. So if you're watching this video, like it's any other tutorials after this is how I do my foundation, even if I'm not filming, because I love how it looks. The cream contouring is definitely something that I have to get into. It's just amazing. It just makes everything look really seamless, and you don't even have to put a low lighting color over it. You can just cream contour and set it with one, like a setting powder that doesn't have any color with it, and the contour still show up and it looks really nice and natural. So for this step, I'm going to be setting my contours now. So I'm going to be setting the lighter part using MAC NC50, and I love this color for setting. I have a NC35, which is when I want my highlight to pop at you, but this, ooh, yes ma'am, NC50, love it.
You never hear oh Jesus nice. Me want you hear what me have to share. Nobody want like you the in a night. So you choose for the start where you can't take the ear pressure. No make them influence you with no peer pressure. Because them don't sit down and not do nothing like them. They a barber hairdresser. Hey yo, after me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. Me know say you know me alone a ask. Wonder if Andrew and Paul shall last. So after me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. So what Jesus me a vote for the next election. Anytime I vote again, I lie to it. Because them a lie to it. After them get them vote, them a pass and not even say I to it. Father try lie to it. Because them a lie to it.
Next, I'm taking my no, that's not what I'm taking. My motives, I believe it's called Very Deep, and I'm going all over my face. The reason I'm going all over my face with this is because I'm going to be going in with NW45, and NW45 tends to make my face look lighter. So I'm basically blending. So I'm putting the darker color on first, and I'm going to put the lighter color on. And I'm using the same brush that I used to do my highlights. So the same brush I used for my NC50 is that I'm using now for my motives Very Deep, and I'm using the same brush for my NW45 pressed powder as well by MAC. So I'm using the same brush.
Hey yo, after me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. Me know say you know me alone a ask. Wonder if Andrew and Paul shall last. So after me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. So what Jesus me a vote for the next election. Anytime I vote again. Me no blind, me no own a glass. You don't know your boy DJ. Representing chosen cause Israel, you don't know the thing well. You know, own a glass. God bless. Tell them so what? Lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God, not switch and we not serve a different God. Tell them we beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. Listen, all of you beat them bad. Every tune when you put out a street them bad. man safe. Every bone in my body. Tell them say God Almighty am my daddy. Me praise God like say that's my hobby. Never can trick my virgin, them neither me. Holy Spirit what dwell inside of me. Make Satan show up and think of five of me. I want real survivor me. Escape enemy choppy coming like say I'm a guy for me and me. Lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God not switch and we not serve a different God. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. All of you beat them bad. Every tune when you put out a street them bad. One man, me no God a guide me. No one man, you fi try avoid me. Never can see my blessing and try rob me. Cause me beat them bad like Sly Robbie. Hold on there, oh me can't see no sign of the devil. Him a fi cut through bone finally. Me have the victory finally. So our shadows of them feel fi show up in my valley. Cause lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God not switch and we not serve a different God. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. All of you beat them bad. Every tune when you put out a street them bad. Me are the head and not the tail. For me the both evil will not prevail. Now sell out my soul is not for sale. So Satan can't even stop for heal. Me are the head and not the tail. For me the both evil will not prevail. Now sell out my soul is not for sale. Me lyrics, me live it, me spit it. And my lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God not switch and we not serve a different God. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad.
So I'm going in again with the motives very deep, and I'm going in to low light my face to set everything. So I went in a little bit, and this is the tapered fluffy brush from or Dipped in Elegance line, which will be released this summer, but they'll be re-released in a very small quantity. So you know what I'm saying, just so you know, a little sneak peek. And I'm just setting all the areas that I use the low light for.
You beat them bad, every tune when you put out a street them bad and safe. Every bone in my body. Tell them say God Almighty am my daddy. Me praise God like say that's my hobby. Never can trick my virgin, them neither me. Holy Spirit what dwell inside of me. Make Satan show up and think of five of me. I want real survivor me. Escape enemy choppy coming like say I'm a guy for me and me. Lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God not switch and we not serve a different God. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. All of you beat them bad. Every tune when you put out a street them bad. Beat them bad. Hey boy, representing.
And that is basically it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Remember, we're on road to 500,000 for 2016. Also, don't forget to comment in the description bar what look you like to see me the next, and also not rate, thumbs this video up and share on all your social media platforms. I mean, come on, let some people know about your girl. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.
God bless, just a little demonstration. Hey, assassin, they don't know we run a demonstration. Welcome for cause devastation. Versatile, assassin, D.I.J. Mr. Me God like Superman, stronger than a group of man. 2 o'clock me and God alone, I want you, come on. Even when them a war and them just shoot a man. Hey, them a feel I wonder what happened to the youth, man. Lord bless me more, power more like Shabba.